Hello and welcome to Login Join. Today you'll learn how to create labels in Gmail. Start by opening your Gmail. Under these all options, you will see this labels option. Press the plus icon. Give it any name you want. Let's say I want to move all my social emails into one section. Press create. Now choose all the emails that you want to move to that label. And on top, press move to. Tap the first icon and you will see that email under this label. Let's try again. Plus icon, name your labels, press create. Select all the Gmails you want to add to that label, press move to, and press the label you want to add it to. So that's it. Do like our page if this was helpful. We will see you soon.